Have you wondered about the difference between the PMP credential and the Agile credential, just what they stand for? Allow me to clear the air for you now. Traditional project management that's tested with the PMP exam is based on the project management body of knowledge for the most part. It describes traditional project management, also called waterfall project management. You go from top to bottom by creating your goal, you know what your resources are, you don't expect a lot of changes, but you have mechanisms to handle a few changes on the way, and you complete your project. Traditional waterfall top-down project management. That's what you are certified to understand when you pass your PMP exam. But what about projects that are full of change every day, like software projects? You write a little bit of code, you test it, you learn something new, you have to backtrack, make a few changes, and write some additional code. And on it goes with constant change. Should you just have Agile or just have your PMP? The answer to that question depends on where you will be working. If you work in construction where things are basically the same every time, we build the foundation, we put up the framing, we put on the roof, changing that around won't help you any. So traditional project management that is shown by your PMP credential is the best thing for you. If you work in software, Agile would be best for you after you have demonstrated the fundamentals. After all, Agile is based on the foundational principles of traditional project management. So if you're going to be working in software, my advice is get your PMP credential and then get your Agile credential. Studying for Agile will be easier because you already studied the foundations. If you're working in an environment that doesn't have a lot of change from start to finish, you probably don't need Agile certification, but you'll always need your PMP certification. Have I helped? I hope so. Thanks for watching. To make sure you don't miss a single video in this series, please click to subscribe.